In other news, in celebration of Singapore's 60th anniversary on August 9th, we'll be spotlighting influential leaders who represent Singapore's global presence and stand at the forefront of shaping innovation with meaningful impact. That includes Jixun, Senior Managing Partner at multi-asset investment platform Granite Asia. He joins me now. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Ashley. Thank you for having me.
Of course. You started your career as an engineer, and now you're a venture capital investor. What inspired that change, and what has shaped your philosophy as an investor?
Sure. I started my career as an engineer in Singapore and trained to solve real-world problems. I had the opportunity to get early exposure in two of the world's leading innovation ecosystem, one in the United States and China. And over the last 2 decades of global investing, the key lesson here is conviction matters more than consensus. And I also have the takeaway that you always want to prioritize founder quality and relationship continuity over short-term momentum. So I believe a lot in the track record built based on backing people who shape the future and not just ride it. And so those are some of the things that make me who I am today.
And you've made early bets on companies like NYSE listed EV maker XPeng. Where do you see the next wave of transformative startup opportunities emerging in Asia?
So I heard a show earlier, we were talking about AI quite a bit. So AI and robotics is also quite big here in Asia, particularly in applications in logistics, in manufacturing, in healthcare. The other big area is just energy transformation. Those are areas where we will see a lot more here in Asia. And as consumption patterns shift, we do see consumer upgrades, consuming pattern changes, and those are things that we invest in as well. One interesting market that we are spending quite a bit of time in is Japan. It is emerging with growing appetite for innovation, and the ecosystem is evolving as well. So we did a partnership with a firm called Integral. And today we are collaborating, investing in growth companies with a Japan nexus. One thing I would note is that the founders in Asia they are maturing, more seasoned, more resilient, and more globally minded. So we are seeing a ton of opportunities.
Thank you, Jixun, Senior Managing Partner at Granite Asia.